Hey, what's up guys? Got the hot lap on. Thought I'd do a quick video to show you what it looks like, what it sounds like, and do a quick ride down the road so you can see what it sounds like in motion. Not too hard to put on. Had a little bit of issue with the mounting bracket, wasn't quite right, but not too bad. I just put it in vise and heated it up with a torch and bent it out a little bit. It was just off, I mean, a millimeter or so, just enough it wouldn't thread up quite right. And you may notice the rubber's missing under that band. That's because the band they sent me was a little bit too big, and the rubber actually blew out somehow going down the road. So there is something under it, some cut up radiator hose until I get some replacement rubber here next few days. Other than that, don't let that put you off. It's made incredibly well. Looks fantastic. I didn't do an install video on this one because honestly guys, it's pretty easy. It's two 10mm bolts at the top of the header into the block, two 14s to remove the original exhaust, and then you mount the bracket and put the exhaust together. It's simple. It'll take you probably 10 or 15 minutes to do the whole job. So let me start it up so you guys can hear it. No, don't worry, I did warm up the bike earlier. Hopefully that translates well on the camera. It's louder, but it's not totally piss off your neighbors loud. It's got a pretty mellow tone. Sounds a little bit like an older Honda ATV, like 4 tracks. A little bit like a dirt bike, but it sounds bigger than a 110 now. I'm gonna pause this, set up my helmet cam, we'll go out on the road, you can hear what it's like going down the road. Be right back. Alright guys, I came behind these old stores. Shh, don't tell nobody. So you can hear what it sounds like bouncing off some walls. stuck back here. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe.